Bullfighters and Mosquitoes of the RAF Coastal Command crossed the channel to bomb and strafe Nazi merchant convoys carrying supplies for isolated German garrisons still holding out along the western coast of Europe. Some ships are attacked en route, others trapped inside the ports of beleaguered cities. Mounting risks faced Nazi merchantmen as land-sea contact is cut off by Allied bombings of enemy communications on the continent. Homeward-bound bullfighters attack a gas tank. Air Corps films of American 8th Air Force fighter bombers strafing ground targets. Assault on the Calais garrison. RAF Lancasters, Halifaxes, and other heavies, dropping thousands of tons of bombs, score direct hits on Nazi strongpoints along the French coast port. Comes down in flames. This bombardment is preliminary to the truce arranged for the evacuation of civilians. Calais was captured on 1st October.